Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Phantom19 here with you. Coilovers came in. I meant to put this video out like a week ago, but I just been swamped with work. Just haven't had time, but I'm gonna install the coilovers. I have lower control arms, trailing arms, toe arms, end link, yeah, the whole shebang. Just the upper control arms. I'm not gonna install those. I don't think I'm gonna need them. That's I think what I am gonna install is gonna be enough to get the camera that I'm gonna want, and you know, the fitment and all that. So yeah, here's the coilovers. Fortune 500, Fortunato 500s, and I have Voodoo suspension. So let's take a look at these Fortunato 500s. We could check it out together. Let's see what we got here, guys. So these are individually built. So built by C. Clark here. I got some stickers here and yeah, certificate of assembly. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with the end links, but I have the Voodoo, so I'm gonna use these I'm just gonna save these for spares or something, you know. Let's get one of the front coilovers here. Actually, this is one of the rears, but nice though. Very nice. Very cool, very cool. Camber, adjustable camber there. So these are gonna be going on the GR86, these are gonna be going on there. All right guys, here we go. I decided we're gonna start off with the back here, lower control arm. So you got what, three 17 millimeters here, one over here at the end. You got one for the coil, and you got one over here. All right, 2 millimeters. All right, guys. So now we're gonna take off these two 14mm nuts here for the coilover. So I've already set the preload for these rears. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna measure for the height. And as soon as I do that, I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, let's get this lower control arm. I already put the coil in, bolted it up at the top. So now we're gonna put the Voodoo 13. So it comes with 3 bolts, new hardware. Hey guys, so I forgot to film that last part where I put the end link in, but there it is right there. You can see it. Got the end link, got the coilover in, and obviously the lower control arm. So that wasn't too bad. It went in. It went in pretty easy, I guess. So now I'm going to take off the tow arm here. It's gonna be a 19mm here. And I don't have a short socket. I don't have a short 22 socket, so I'm gonna have to use a crescent wrench for this other side. But let me see if I could break this bolt. Okay, it's not too bad. And this side, 2. 17 millimeter. Give it a little whack. All right, I got that out. Okay, so let me go grab the other toe arm, and I'll be back with you guys in a sec. All right, guys. So here's the OEM toe arm, and here's the Voodoo 13. So when you're installing this one, you can't measure at the same distance from here to here because it's not gonna line up, and you want to get it as close as you can. And then plus we're gonna use the eccentric lockout for the Voodoo. So I measured the other side 10 and a quarter. So from the center here to the center pin here. So yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty close, but we'll see when I get it on. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. I'm gonna be putting in this toe arm. All right, guys, let's get this toe arm in here. So I got the nut on it. I'm not gonna tighten it yet until we get the eccentric lockout on it. Get that in there. It's a big nut, 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter. Eccentric lockout. Go. Just gotta be lined up, guys. It ain't lined up, it ain't going in. Hey guys, back with you. Sorry I couldn't film that, putting in the toe arm. My battery died. I don't know how, but I got it in, got the toe arm in. So now I'm gonna take off the rear trailing arm right here. So that's going to be 17 millimeter. Okay. Alright guys, let's put in this this new trailing arm. And for the other side, it gives you new hardware. That's good for right now. All right, guys, so there's the coilover, lower control arm. There's the toe. There's the toe and the trailing arm, toe arm, trailing arm. So everything's installed on this side. So yeah, I'm not gonna shoot both sides. I'm just gonna do one side. So I'm gonna go do the other side, the other rear, and then I'll get back with you when I start the front. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Hey guys, yeah, it's way later in the day. Yeah, something came up, so I had to stop working and go take care of some stuff, some dumb stuff. But I'm back now, and I'm gonna take this front coil off, and I already did the back earlier. You see me shooting that. I did the other side, and then I had to take off. So I just got back a little while ago, and I said, you know what, I have to do this tonight. I have to do the two front shocks, because tomorrow I have an appointment to get this thing aligned. So has to be done. So here we go. I already loosened up the 3 bolts up on top of the coil. That's 12 millimeter, and I'm gonna crack these right here. They're I think they're 19 millimeter. Okay, before I go any further, I'm gonna take that brake cable off and a sensor wire here. That has to come off. So I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little dark, but let me try to get the light over here. Maybe on this side. That's not bad. See right here, there's 2 clips. You just get a screwdriver and pop those out. Okay, there's one. That's the guy. Okay, there's 2. There's the wire. Wire's loose. Okay, let's get this guy off of here. Was that 12? Yeah, that's a 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter for that guy, for the brake line. Brake line, yeah. Okay. Brake line's loose. Let's see. Okay, now we got to get the end link. End link's got to come off. What is that? A 17? Yeah, it's a 17. End link's off. Got all that. Let's take out the coilover. There's a coilover. Here's the Fortunato. I already preloaded it, and I measured it for height. Hopefully Hopefully I did it right. Hopefully it comes out okay. I don't want this car all slammed. Okay, let's get this guy in there. Okay, that's it. All right. Make sure this wire is on this side of that hub. There we go. Got our wires on the right side right here. Okay. There's the Voodoo 13. Voodoo 13 and link. Nothing. Okay. Over every little thing here. Okay, cable, brake cables tight, sensor tight, clips are in. These two bolts for the hub tight, end link tight. So let me get this thing down on the ground, guys, and I'm gonna let you see it. I'm gonna let you just see it when I'm seeing it. I'm gonna see how the car sits. So I'll get back with you guys in just a minute. All right, guys, Phantom 19 here, back with you. Moment of truth. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I personally think I'm gonna be a little low. I think it's gonna be a little low, but as long as I can get to the alignment shop, I'll be all right. Oh, whoa. I'm slammed in the back over here, though. Check that out. That's pretty, let's see what I got there. It's not gonna rub. No, I got one finger. One finger I could put there, 1.5. Can't put 2 in there. So there's the back. Here's the front. Yeah, the front's got to come down about 1 inch. At least. Yeah, same thing here. But it'll roll. All right, guys. Well, I'll probably finish this video up tomorrow after I go get it aligned, and I'll get back with you guys. Hey, guys. Yeah, I left the alignment shop a little while ago. I just wanted to finish up the video, saying that yeah, everything came out great. You know, this was off and that was off. They said, you know, of course, because you know when you're putting new aftermarket stuff on, it's never gonna line up. So they did their thing, and yeah, it's all good. The parking lot was kind of crowded over there and stuff, so I really didn't get a shot of the car, the stance. So when I get home, I'll shoot a small little thing on the way it sits. So it's just a little lower than stock, which is good for me right now. There it is, the way it sits, guys. Not bad. Just a little lower than stock. For now, it's okay. Hey guys, I just wanted to just give you a little shot of the aftermarket suspension there. So there it is. That's all it is there. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little wrap up here of the video. Like I was saying when I was in the car, happy with the install. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Just time consuming, and but I got some real big news. I'm gonna go in a different direction with the car. I'm gonna go wide body on it. And I was kind of hoping, some of the people that view the videos out there would kind of give me their opinion on what wide bodies they would go with. And I have like 3 that I'm kind of going back and forth with right now, but I'm gonna go that direction. I'm gonna do wide body on it. So that means a whole different thing here with as far as wheels, tires. I'm not gonna go that other route and just get the upgrade wheels and tires. Now I got to get some serious wheel upgrades and tires because they're going to be a lot wider. So in the next coming week or weeks, I'll let you know where I am with that, and I'll try to I'll try to videotape as I go through that little journey with the car. And I was gonna try to attempt to do it on my own with some help, but that's a big job right there, and I work a lot. I don't have that kind of time, but I found some people that are really good at what they do, and I'm gonna go with them. And they're actually doing a few projects right now. Some other guys, I guess, are going wide body with their BRZs and GRs. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty exciting, and I look forward to your comments, and just tell me if what I'm doing is okay, and if you guys are getting something out of it. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And with that being said, Phantom 19 here. You guys take care.